watch ko sa yung vlog.
Oh, really? Oh my God, boy! Actually, itong sardinia ni mo kay Wala nang anime. Oh, God!
A3 lang?
Naala siya bread.
4. Oo. Butagi siya na nahay bread, na nahay rice.
Alright guys, so made it here in Pescadores Seaview Suites, guys. So as you all know, for every travel guide, so nadyo tayo pa room tour, and today I'm excited to share with you our room. Come inside, guys. Look at that. So this is the VIP suite, guys. So as you enter the room, you can see here the kitchenette nila, and here we have an oven, microwave oven, and na sila din mga gamit. Makainit ka o tubig, na sila yung mga na siya yung saksakanan diri. Look at that, guys. And here, nasa sila kuan mini refrigerator. You can store your food if ever na kuan magdamog food. And here is the mini living room. So na siya yung sofa diri. So you can talk with your friends and chill lang. And here, guys, we have one aircon sa ilahang living room. Yes, and kunya na mo gawas. And then here, sa'yo tawagan ni?
Hammock.
Oh, this is very nice for photos. Like, mag-aura-aura ka diri, ana siya. Diba? Nice kayo siya. And then here, let's go inside. Hindi pa dyan siya ang main na bedroom, guys. So, na siya yung isa diri ka bed. And then here, the mini closet. So, we can put your bags there, kaya parang dili samok. And then here, suot na sa ilahang restroom and bathroom nila. So look at that. It's very clean. So na sila sabon, shampoo, pero abot lang, toothbrush. Cool. And then this is the vanity mirror. You know, dako kayo siya, guys. And wow, na siya drawer. Diba? And then here, minang shower room. So overhead siya, guys, and na siya hot and cold. She's very nice, kay, you know, yung ganahan ka na hot and cold. So ito siya. And it's very huge, ha, and the tissue diri, ibubutangan diri mo og mga something. So now let's get into the master's bedroom. So oh my God, so naku kayo siya, guys. We have 2 queen size bed. And I like it, guys, kay aside from this very big na pillow, napagid siya duha pag yun. Very spacious siya. So, kay guna dre on to. Actually, this VIP suite, guys, is good for 2. So, mali siya for 2 or for 4, but pwede siya up to 5 ka person ang makastay inside, maka-accommodate inside. So here, guys, master's bedroom, kay we have another aircon. So, mani siya. And we have a safety box here. Century safe. So, if you want to leave your things, dira, yung mga valuable things, yung mga lahas dira, yung mga kwarta, kayamanan. So, pwede lang yung i-leave dira. And yeah, nasa siya dali outlet, guys, duha. Here, we have a very large na TV. And dire, it's connected to the Wi-Fi. So, diba? Maka-choose ka diri, maka-Netflix ka, inana. So, ano siya, guys? So, that's pretty much it for the master's bedroom. And now, let's move on to the balcony. So, here, a coffee diri. And mo simhot lang ka sa fresh air. Alright, guys, friends. So, manakuog room tour, guys. And, you know, look at my face. I'm so haggard. So, maligo sa siguro ko, guys. And then, after, kay mag-dinner me. So yeah, see you later, guys. Alright, guys, so we're here in the restaurant. So we'll be having our dinner, guys. So we ordered their best seller na lemon chicken. We also have the garlic chicken and their pancit guisado. So yeah, muna siya guys.
What is up, guys? Day's friend here. Day's friends here. We're currently here at Pescadores Seaview Suites here in Moalboal. So I'm with the squad right now. I'm with Chasing James, ang gwapito ng Zamboanga City. Tsaka ang beautiful anak ng Car City, Harley. And and the father of Consolacion. And Sir Blix, naon sa namuha na mga Sir Blix? So, hello Days friends. So, saan naman na improve? Ano na? Saan na? Baby time. Ano yan, sir?
Mango float.
Mango float
Yes.
pala.
Pero hindi ako gumawa nito guys, binili ko lang din to.
Mango float with love ba yan?
Mango float with love.
Kala ko bukas pa yung umaga.
Ayan.
Oh, tingnan niyo po.
Tcharam.
Oh, sarap.
So let's see, kinain na nila yung isa kanina guys. Pero apat talaga to, yung isa niyan, ako muna po.
So, mga to guys. Ninot lang yung lighting nila lagi.
Ano tawag kan? Most likely?
Apo.
Ugma.
Kasi ugma boy, wala ugma oy. Ano yung ugma kay mag-shooting kang mga kuan ayun na.
Alright, these friends. Let's call it a day. Matulog na mi. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow.
The next morning.
I don't want nobody stabbing me with love. Don't wanna waste no time getting my feelings hurt. I believe in those things we don't know much of.
Tuloy pa ko na ko. Daro guys,
There's
mato
so
na
much
to.
to see.
Oh my god. Excuse me.
Ay!
Ikaw si Daisy? Nag-watch mo sa yung vlog.
Asa na vlog na ko?
Actually, itong sardine nga ni mo kay wala nang anime.
Sana all.
Sana all. Thank you. Saan yung name?
Cute og Jessa. Pag-chat tayo.
So, Kit o Jessa. So, shout out din natin si Kit o Jessa, no? Follow sa mga.
Sir, ako mag-take.
A few moments later.
Alright, days friends. So, we have here our breakfast, guys. So, they have corned beef, continental breakfast. You can choose from bread or rice. They also have tuna, and you can choose between juice or coffee, and they also have tea if you want Lipton tea. So yeah, ready na guys? Ready na mo mag-breakfast?
Ready?
Yes! Gigotom na mo, gigotom.
We're hungry and you know it. Clap your hands.
Come on, how's your sleep guys?
Okay ra, murag barko.
Kinsa?
Banami. Barko. Kasi wala malapatod ko.
Alright. Grabe, naday. Ang mga boy. So, si akong bedmate.
Ako yung baby for now.
Walang dare akong baby. So, let's eat na guys! Kaya para mag-work na ta. Mga onami, nadali si Harley, si James.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Video and we're back for another video. So ngayon guys, makiki-vlog tayo sa camera ni Daisy. And kasama ko pala yung mga... Awa mo! Ang gagaling pa! Ay, sorry. So ngayon guys, kasama ko si Master Ian sa camera ni Daisy. So yan! What's up, Riot Vlog Squad? Huh? Ang Master. Ay, sorry Master. Nagsugarilyo na ka. Sorry kay guys. Alright, horot na ang battery ni Daisy. Kaya naki-vlog ko. Okay guys, so naraatag iya.
They have swimming pool. They also have free use sa ilahang transparent na kayak. But unfortunately, for now, we cannot use it because dako kayo ang bound. So, well, tanaw lang nato niya kung ipagamiton pa ta. Mag-enjoy mo dire sa ilahang dagat. Kung ganahan mo magdagat, pwede mo magdagat. Kung ganahan mo mag-swimming pool, pwede mo mag-swimming pool. So, everything yun kay na-adyo dire sa Pescadores Seaview Suites. And not only that guys, wala pa tanahuman. So, nasad sila dire game room. So, tara, ato na to guys. So, by the way guys, most of ang ilahang mga rooms dire. Mas sila yung mga rooms. Ato na ta sa ilahang game room. So this is open every 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Oh, nasa like billiard diri guys. Cool. Okay, billiard. Kung ganahan mo magawa. And Dere kay nasa sila. Sa taga ni arcade. Oh, arcade. And then kung ganahan mo mag-TV, pwede sad mo mag-TV diri, mag-chill lang. Dere. Alright guys, friends, I'm back here in our room guys. Mura busy jud kayo mi. Wala lang ako naligo kay mura daghan sa sugay tao dito sa swimming pool and naglikay na lang sad mi. But anyway, sila ni James kay nag-shoot pa. And maligo sa ko guys kay para makapahuway ko. It's already 11:30. Mag-fix ako sa kong self and mag-prepare ko and yeah, later na kung update na sa ninyo. So guys, mga mi guys. Mura gihapon na mo ang i-order no.
Balibig, gutom kay ko.
Pancit Guisado. Kami kayo lang pasigado dito.
Yeah, sarap. Ito yung favorite ko dito. Pancit Guisado is life.
Nga, nag-order sa Big Ramen. So, unsa may ang lami silang ramen?
Marasag noodles good. Kanang instant noodles ba?
Gimmick sa
Korean instant noodles. Oy, na ramen dere oh.
Alright, these friends, we're ready to check out. It's already 2 p.m. guys. Na-extend me 2 hours kay wala pa mi nahuman og shoot sa mga dapat i-shoot. So yeah, maro to siya guys. I will end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also guys, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is at iamdaysee and my Facebook page is Daisy. And that's all. Always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creations and always seize the day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, Days friends!
Iwa to, Trigo. Napandun.